Well, again, ma'am, I won't comment on the statement of General Browner. But again, I would like to assert the commitment of the Commandant, the Philippine Coast Guard, that whatever the national government would require of the Philippine Coast Guard will be there to support, particularly the mobilization of vessels and everything.
Nakahanda ang mga barko ng Philippine Coast Guard na sunduin ang mga kababayan nating Pilipino sa Taiwan. Ito ang tugon ni PCG spokesperson for the West Philippine Sea, Commodore J. Tariela, sa panawagan kahapon ni Armed Forces of the Philippines Chief of Staff General Romeo Browner Jr. sa mga sundalo sakaling sumiklab ang tensyon at matuloy ang bantang pagsakop ng China sa nasabing teritoryo. Samantala, patuloy na minomonitor ng PCG ang isang Chinese research vessel na Songhang na pumasok sa archipelagic water ng bansa.
I would just like to confirm that there is a presence of the Chinese research vessel. This is an ongoing operation and I'm not authorized to disclose the full details of it.
Alas 8 ng umaga kanina, huling na-monitor ng PCG ang barko sa layong 58 nautical miles east ng Aborlan, Palawan. Kinumpirma ni Commodore Tariela na nag-deploy na sila ng aircraft para i-monitor ang usad ng barko.
The Philippine Coast Guard deployed our aircraft this morning to challenge the presence of this Chinese research vessel. As of this time, we are still doing this MDA flight as we monitor the presence of this Chinese research vessel. We're challenging them that they are not authorized to carry out marine scientific research and that they are advised to leave the area.
Hindi ito ang unang pagkakataon na may lumapit na Chinese research vessel sa archipelagic water ng bansa. Nitong Pebrero, namataan ang Lanhai 101, pinakamalaking Chinese research ship na dumaan sa pagitan ng Mindoro at Palawan hanggang Ilocos Region, kung saan pinanatili nito ang distansya ng 24 at 25 nautical miles sa baybayin ng bansa. Nauna nang sinabi kahapon ng international maritime expert na si Ray Powell sa kanyang post sa social media na X na umalis ng Shanghai, China noong March 26 ang 83-meter research vessel bago ito dumaan sa archipelagic seawater ng Pilipinas patungo sa direksyon ng Celebes Sea. Ryan Lacanlale, UNTV News and Rescue. Diyos ang aming sandigan, serbisyo publiko ang aming pinahahalagahan.